Hi guys, and welcome to the Bash Scripting Basic to Advanced course. Firstly, Bash, short for Born Again Shell. It's a command line shell and a scripting language commonly used in Unix and Unix-like operating systems, including Linux. It is an enhanced version of the original Bourne shell, SH, and is the default shell for most Linux distributions. We are going to take a look at characteristics of the bash. Firstly, command line shell. Bash provides a command line interface or CLI for interacting with a computer's operating system. Users can enter commands, execute programs, and perform various system tasks directly through the bash shell. Secondly, scripting language. Bash is also a scripting language, which means you can write scripts, that means text files containing a series of commands to automate tasks, perform system administration, and create custom tools. Bash scripts are executed sequentially, and you can use control structures like loops and conditionals. Okay, third one is built-in commands. That means Bash includes a wide range of built-in commands for common tasks like file manipulation, text processing, and system administration. These commands are available for use in both interactive sessions and scripts. Customization. Bash allows users to customize their environment by defining aliases, setting environment variables, and creating custom functions. You can also customize your bash prompt to display information like the current directory or username. Okay, fifth one here is job control. That means bash provides job control features, allowing users to run multiple processes in the background, bring them to the foreground, suspend them, or resume their execution. We have redirection and pipes as the next one. That means bash support input and output redirection, enabling users to redirect the output of a command to a file or use it as input for another command. Pipes allows you to chain multiple commands together, passing the output of one command as input to the next. We have command history. Bash maintains a command history that allows you to recall and rerun previous commands using the arrow keys or history-related commands. Finally, script execution. Bash scripts are typically stored in plain text files with the .sh extension. To execute the bash script, you can make it executable by running chmod +x and the file name, and then run it like any other program using ./ and script name.sh or using bash script file.sh. So, Bash is a powerful and versatile tool for both interactive use and automation on Unix-based systems. It is widely used by system administrators, developers, and power users for various tasks from simple one-liners to complex scripting solutions. Okay, keep following my playlist to understand these concepts. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.